Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start using Dropbox for file storage, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Dropbox website at www.dropbox.com. Click on the sign up button in the top right corner. Fill in your name, email address, and a secure password. Alternatively, you can sign up using your Google account for convenience. Once you've completed the form, click Create an account. Check your email for a confirmation message from Dropbox. Click the link in the email to verify your account. After verification, log in to your new Dropbox account. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. To start uploading files, locate the Upload button on your screen. Click the Upload button and choose Files or Folder. Select the files or folders you want to upload from your device. Click Open to start the upload process. Wait for the upload to complete. You'll see progress indicators for larger files. Once uploaded, your files will appear in your Dropbox account. To create a new folder, click the New Folder button. Name your folder and click Create. You can now drag and drop files into this new folder. To share a file or folder, click on the Share button next to it. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with. You can adjust permissions for viewing or editing as needed. Click Send to share the file or folder. To access your Dropbox on the go, download the Dropbox app from your device's App Store. Log into the app using your account credentials. Now you can access, upload, or share files directly from your mobile device. Explore additional features like file recovery and Congratulations! You're now ready to use Dropbox for all your file storage needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.